India is a land of diversity. At LPU, Bharat comes alive through its students. These are the faces of Bharat at LPU.
There's a calm in Tripura you can't easily describe. The mist over Jampu hills, the colors of Tripuri handloom, and the gentle rhythm of life that moves with its own quiet grace. Hi, I'm Dabasmita Pal, a BTech CSA student from Tripura. When I first arrived at LPU, the world suddenly opened up. The wide green campus, the energy of thousands of students, and the feeling that everyone here was chasing something bigger. It felt like stepping from a peaceful valley into a space built for possibilities. And what surprised me most was seeing Tripura's culture celebrated with pride here. In events like One India, dance showcases, and festivals where our traditional colors, music, and identity took the spotlight, I realized that even far from home, our heritage lives and breathes on this campus. Even the taste of Tripura feels close to home here. Enjoying our traditional food at LPU reminds me where I come from. But what shaped me the most was LPU's culture of innovation. Labs buzzing with ideas, projects that felt connected to the real world, and a learning environment that encouraged exploration. With the EduRevolution, students fund their own education through revenue generation. As learning becomes hands-on, attendance remains flexible, and growth becomes measurable through projects. And when I saw seniors securing placements worth crores in some of the world's biggest companies, I wasn't just impressed, I was inspired. It made me realize how far ambition can take you when the possibilities around you are limitless. Tripura will always be the place that shaped my roots, but LPU became the place where I grew, discovered my direction, and understood what I am capable of. Hundreds of students from Tripura are already here, creating, learning, and stepping into their future. To everyone back in Tripura, this campus is ready for you.